Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing explicit permission. Contact the music publisher for sync rights and the master owner for the recording. Once you have their contact info, request written terms that include Capcut, social platforms, and commercial use if needed. Make sure to confirm territory and duration. This prevents takedowns. If direct licensing is slow, consider licensed music marketplaces. They issue immediate sync and master permits. Keep copies of agreements and payment receipts for upload verification, and once you have the license, prepare the audio and docs. Export high bitrate WAV or 320 kbps MP3 and embed clear metadata. Then scan or PDF the signed license, invoice, and licensor contact info. Organize them in one folder. Make sure file names reference project and license ID so you can prove permission quickly. When editing in Capcut, import the licensed audio and keep a separate folder on your device or cloud labeled licenses. This speeds verification. Now you assemble and export in Capcut using the license track. Once done, add the license summary and licensor credit in the video description and project notes so platforms and viewers can see permission. Make sure to keep the original license PDF handy. If a takedown or claim appears, submit that document plus payment proof and licensor contact during the platform appeal. If problems persist, contact the rights holder to issue a copyright release or platform support to escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.